Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply farm Dogecoin. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to be making use of Pancakeswap.finance. That's the exchange we're going to be using. You simply head over to the earn section once you've connected your wallets, which if you click on this wallet icon up here, you see disconnect. If it shows disconnect, it means your wallet is connected. Otherwise, you connect your wallet. And the next step is to click on this earn and click on farms. Once that's done, we're going to be looking for the Doge BNB farm. Make sure you possess some BNB on your wallet. The wallet I'm using for this video is the Trust wallet. So make sure you possess Dogecoin and also have a possession of BNB for transfers and also to add liquidity. We'll be getting to that in a minute. So now you search for Doge. And we're going to be looking at Doge, the pair Doge BNB LP. You click on this and you click on stake LP. So no tokens to stake, add Doge BNB LP. So what we're going to do is we're going to add liquidity. This liquidity stands for liquidity positions. This LP stands for liquidity positions. So you click on add Doge LP, which is there. And we're going to be adding positions on Doge and BNB. Okay, so we're going to be going with Dogecoin worth 0.23 USD and BNB worth 0.24 USD. It doesn't matter how much of this of your tokens you use. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using 25% of mine. So you click on enable Doge. A smart contract call is going to pop in. You click on confirm. And the Doge is being enabled. All of this is so we can get some LP tokens, that's the liquidity pool tokens or liquidity positions. Once it's done, you simply click on add, and this is our input. Usually my share in the pair is 0.000001866%. So this is what we will receive in the Doge BNB LP. Slippage tolerance 11%, confirm supply. You click on approve, then add cake LP to wallets. Then you simply close. And now we view it on the BSC scan so we know what exactly we just did. Okay, the transaction was a success. Timestamp 17 seconds ago. So we are going from 0.24 BNB, 0.24 Doge, and we're getting Kick LP worth 0.000621. So now, once we're done with BSC scan, we simply head back to Pancakeswap.finance. Once at Pancakeswap.finance, we search again for Doge. Click on this, and you simply click on Stake LP. And as you can see, this is our balance, our LP balance for the Doge BNB LP. So you simply click on max. We're going to be staking 0.47 USD. You click on confirm. Contract call pops in again. You click on approve. And as you can see here, your funds have been staked in the farm. So you click on BSC again so we can have a look at this transaction. And once it's done, it shows success 33 seconds ago. Main staking, as you can see here, Pancakeswap main staking contract. We're staking from my wallet address to the Pancakeswap for staking. The transaction fee is shown and its value as well. All right, guys, we simply head back to Pancakeswap. And from here, you click on staked only so we can see what we've staked already. And as you can see, here we go. The Doge LP is currently being staked 0.47 USD, 2.91 Doge, and 0.00 BNB. So guys, that's just it. When you're done staking this, you can simply click on harvest, and that's all. That's how you farm your Dogecoin. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.